So let's see. Alright, since today I turned 31 years old, I figured I would share with you guys how to sing how to sing happy birthday in Navajo, but we're going to do it with how to sing it if you're one person singing it, if you're two people singing it, or if you're three people or more singing it. And I'm going to have my dad help me out. He's going to play the guitar. So this is how you sing it. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Hózhó. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Hózhó. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Na-Dené, Hózhó. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Na-Dené, Hózhó. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Na-Dené, Hózhó. Nidizhchíiji, Ánááhoolzhiizhígíí, Na-Dené, Hózhó. If you're sharing your birthday with me, happy birthday.